So guys, the Ekraft Geeks are back with a new project, Bluetooth HC-05 interface with Arduino Uno. List of components required: Arduino Uno USB cable, HC-05 Bluetooth module, jumper wires, 1K resistor, 2K resistor and breadboard. The HC-05 Bluetooth module is built for personal area network. It can act as master or slave. It has a range up to 100 meters and it uses frequency hopping spread spectrum radio technology to send data over air. The HC-05 module can be powered from 3.6 to 6 volts because it comes on a breakout board which contains a voltage regulator. However, the logic voltage level of the data pins is 3.3, so the line between the Arduino transmitter and the Bluetooth module receiver needs to get connected to a voltage divider in order not to burn the module. There are two modes of operation, one is data mode and the other is command mode. The default password for HC-05 module is 0000 or 1234 and the default username is HC-05. The LED indicates the status of module. Blink once in 2 seconds. Module has entered command mode. Repeated blinking, waiting for connection in data mode. Blink twice in 1 second. Connection successful in data mode. We will transmit data from the smartphone via Bluetooth to the Arduino Uno and display it on the serial monitor of PC. Download and install a Bluetooth terminal application on your phone and use it to connect to the HC-05 Bluetooth module. Data is sent from the smartphone using Bluetooth terminal application. The name of the application is Bluetooth Terminal HC-05, which you can find in the Play Store. So now we are going to install the Bluetooth application from the Play Store. Yes, this is the application, so we need to install it. So guys, we are ready with the connection part. As you all can see, the breadboard is here where I have placed two resistors. One is the 1K resistor and the other is the 2K resistor formed in a voltage divider circuit. The second last pin is the VCC pin, which will be connected to plus 5 volts of Arduino. This one is the ground pin, which I can connect over here, or you can connect just below this pin also. There is ground also over there. This is a transmitting pin, so I'll be connecting this to pin number 2 of digital, and this is my receiving pin, which I'll be connecting over here, pin number 3 of digital. Now the starting of 1K resistor will get short to pin number 3. So here is my pin number 3, so I will short this like that. Yes. And the end of 2K resistor will get short to this ground, so I can remove this ground and I can connect it over here. So yeah, my connection part is done successfully. So guys, here we go with the coding part. As you all can see over here, we have included a library. In the second line, we have included pin number 2 and 3 for transmitter and receiver. In void setup, we have defined a baud rate for software serial communication, and here we have defined a baud rate for serial communication. In void loop, we have written a if statement that if data is available on serial port, it should be printed on the serial monitor. Now we are gonna upload this code, and it's uploading, and yes, done uploading. Now we are gonna check what's the output for this code. So guys, let's head on and check whether our project is working properly or not. For that we have to open this application. I'm already paired with my HC-05 module. And yes, we are getting the output, means we have made this project successfully. So I hope you like the video. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos.